Boosting the ego. Understanding the impact. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, fuel someone's ego. This phrase is widely used in both professional and personal contexts, and understanding its nuances can significantly enhance your communication skills. So, let's get started and unpack the meaning and usage of this intriguing expression. To fuel someone's ego means to increase or strengthen someone's sense of self-importance or self-esteem, often by giving them praise, attention, or validation. The word fuel here is used metaphorically, similar to how fuel powers a vehicle, implying that the ego is being powered up or boosted by the actions or words of another person. Understanding this phrase is easier with examples. Let's look at a few. In the workplace, if a manager constantly praises an employee for their achievements, especially in front of others, it can fuel the employee's ego, making them feel more valued and confident. In personal relationships, complimenting someone on their appearance or talents frequently can also fuel their ego, enhancing their self-esteem and how they view themselves. It's important to note that fueling someone's ego can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the context and the extent to which it is done. Positive aspects. Boosting someone's confidence. Encouraging them to pursue their goals. Strengthening relationships through positive reinforcement. Negative aspects. Creating or enhancing arrogance or overconfidence, leading to a dependency on external validation, potentially causing conflicts in group settings due to perceived favoritism. Understanding the balance is crucial in both personal and professional interactions. When using the phrase, fuel someone's ego, it's essential to consider the context. It can be used to describe actions taken with good intentions, such as motivating someone, or it can be used critically to comment on someone's enabling of another's arrogance. Here's how you might use it. The constant praise from his followers only served to fuel his ego. I try to fuel my team's ego by recognizing their hard work and achievements. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, fuel someone's ego, and how it can be used and understood in various contexts. Whether you're aiming to boost someone's confidence or discussing the dynamics of praise and self-esteem, remembering the impact of your words is key. Thank you for watching, and we hope this lesson helps you navigate the complexities of the English language with greater ease. See you in our next video.